guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for more such videos. I'm using canvas pad from the brand Pantanic. It contains 10 shades and acrylic colors from Camlin. I also used sky blue color from Acrylic, few brushes and a permanent marker. Masking tape. So firstly, as it is not a board, make sure you stretch the canvas out and tape it down firmly. For the background, apply a tiny bit amount of water from top and use sky blue color from Acrylic and spread it uniformly. In the same way, from the bottom of the gradient, use yellow deep from Camlin and also a mix of yellow ochre and blend them together. Make sure you blend the common area, else it looks patchy. For trees, use burnt sienna from Camlin and paint the trunk. From the trunk, draw Y-shaped branches. And from the Y-shaped branches, you further draw the Y-shaped branches. I also use the same method for the nest. To make a fan brush, I took a normal brush and a hairpin and pulled it to the base. Adjust the hair evenly as shown in the video and you're good to go. I drew the birds using permanent marker. And I also added lines to the nest. Add red and a tiny bit of yellow to half of the nest so that the other part looks shadowy. And then here's the final look. If you watched till the last, please hit the subscribe button and comment your views about the whole video. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching.